Unleash the magic of automation and elevate your window treatments to the next level with smart window blinds and baths. Say goodbye to manual operation and hello to effortless control with just a touch or a voice command. Whether you want to adjust your curtains for privacy and ambience or to let the light in, you'll find the perfect solution here, so let's get into it.
Greetings from Smart Home 101. Here we test, review and compare each and every smart home product to ensure you're always up to date on trends while getting the best user experience before making any buying decision. To get the ideal product, don't forget to check the links down below.
Do you dread the time spent adjusting curtains every day? Fear not, Kerbot is here to save the day. This smart device is designed to fit any traditional curtain rods or rails and is made from robust material. Underneath its glossy exterior, powerful motors are housed for the smoothest operations, plus it comes with 3 types of hooks that make it suitable for any room. It even has a built-in sunlight sensor that detects the intensity of light and automatically adjusts your curtains accordingly. You can control it via smartphone app or even voice control, giving you absolute control over your curtains. Introducing the game-changing Zemi Smart Curtain Set, a budget-friendly option packed with amazing smart features. Its durable design and diverse size options makes it a perfect addition to any home. Yes, it can even bear up to 10 kilograms of weight with ease, and with seamless integration with your favorite voice assistant and a convenient smartphone app, controlling your curtains has been easier than ever. And for those who prefer a more traditional approach, physical buttons on the dash ensure effortless operation for everyone, including seniors. Transform your home into a sanctuary of privacy with the revolutionary IKEA Future Smart Blinds. This all-in-one solution delivers luxury at an unbeatable price as you take control with the flick of a finger using its intuitive smartphone app pairing multiple blinds for customized control. Set a timer to effortlessly raise and lower your blinds and experience complete darkness even on the sunniest days, all thanks to its beautifully crafted light-blocking fabrics. And with the added convenience of remote control, you can hold power to adjust the blinds from anywhere, anytime. So embrace the future of home living with IKEA Future Smart Blinds. Unlock the convenience of smart home living with Aqara Driver E1. This innovative device allows you to control your curtains with a simple swipe on your smartphone. Oh, you don't want to lift a finger? Simply ask your voice assistant and Aqara E1 quickly responds to your commands. So now, you can close the curtains while you're comfortably lounging on the couch or getting ready to go to bed. Beyond that, it comes with 2 different versions which are compatible with both rod and track curtain systems. So embrace a smarter, more convenient lifestyle with Aqara Driver E1. Wake up to a brighter tomorrow with this revolutionary smart curtain rod. Say goodbye to groggy mornings as it automatically opens or closes your curtains with the rise and fall of the sun. Experience seamless control and compatibility along with a stunning design that's sure to catch everyone's eye. With both smartphone and manual control options, you'll never have to compromise on privacy ever again. Easy to install and even easier to operate, this smart curtain rod boasts an impressive 8-month battery life on a single charge. Elevate your morning routine with this must-have smart home accessory. So these were the top 5 best smart window blinds just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.